Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how the fingerprint works on this device. So let's grab our device and we are going to make the 5 tries. We are going to lock and unlock our device and we are going to check how fast and how reliable is this scanner. So let's lock our device and let's try. So as you can see, it works not that bad. Of course, it's not that fast like on the Huawei P40 or P40 Pro or Mate 40 Pro Plus. But it's not that bad, but for sure it is reliable, it works every time. So that's a good point of the scanner. And I can recommend you this device if you are thinking about the fast and reliable unlocking by using the fingerprint. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!